Good morning to all students. Today is our second lecture of practical. So today we are going to see how to prepare the solid solution. For that, for solid compound there is a formula. You can see in the slide. Wait, I'll show you. What is the formula for solid compound? Molecular weight into normality into volume divided by 1000. Solid compound like NaCl. Example is NaCl. This one is a solid compound. And for liquid, the formula is N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Liquid sample like HCl, HNO3, these are the liquid, and NaCl is a solid. Or another one is example KMnO4. This one is a solid compound. Or another one is solid compound, it's copper sulfate CuSO4, like this. So first we see, now we are going to see the example with solid compound. So here is a example of solid compound. We are going to take here EDTA. EDTA is your solid compound. So the question is how to prepare 0.1 molar. How to prepare 0.1 molar solution for 500 ml. So for this one is the solid compound. So for this, the formula is molecular weight into normality into volume divided by 1000. This formula is used because here is a solid compound. EDTA, long form of EDTA is ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine tetra acetic acid. Long form of EDTA is ethylene diamine tetra acetic acid. So the molecular weight of EDTA is 372.23. You must know the molecular weight of solid compound. तुम्हाला सॉलिड कंपाऊंडचं मॉलिक्युलर वेट हे माहीत असलंच पाहिजे. सो हिअर इज 372.23 इज युअर molecular weight of EDTA. The molarity of EDTA is, here is a mistake, 0.01 molar. The volume is 500 ml. So इथे मोलॅरिटी किती आहे? क्वेश्चन मध्ये बघा, मोलॅरिटी किती आहे? 0.01 मोलार. मोलॅरिटी आहे आणि 500 ml वॉल्यूम आहे. इथे करेक्ट करा. आणि याच्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला काय आहे? मॉलिक्युलर वेट इंटू नॉर्मॅलिटी इंटू वॉल्यूम डिवाइड बाय 1000. So here normality and molarity is same. So you are taking molarity as a normality. Put this value into the formula. 372.23 into 0.01 into 500 divided by 1000. You get 1.861 gram for 500 ml. This is in gram of EDTA. आता हे काय करायचं आहे? तुम्हाला सांगितलं आहे की तिला 500ला सांगितलं आहे. सो यू आर टेकिंग दिस 1.861 ग्रॅम ऑफ EDTA. हे तुम्ही वे करून घ्यायचं आहे. आणि तुम्हाला सांगितलं आहे की तिला 500 mlला सांगितलं आहे. सो डिझॉल्व करायचं आहे की तिला dissolve it in 500 ml with distilled water. म्हणजे काय करायचं आहे? तुम्ही वेट 1.861 ग्रॅम EDTA घ्यायचं आहे, प्लस तुम्हाला सांगितलं आहे की तिला 500 ml डिस्टिल वॉटर घेऊन डिझॉल्व करायचं. दॅट इज युअर 0.01 मोलार EDTA. Get it? Okay, this much is enough. Now next we are going to see the formula, how to use formula for liquid solution. Second is your formula for liquid solution. Now we are done for solid. Next we are going to see for liquid. Okay, now we are going to stop